Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova 11. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change display brightness manually or via auto brightness. Next, we can enable or disable dark mode and also schedule it. Same with the eye comfort mode, but also we can enable flicker reduction and adjust filter level. Next, we can enable ebook mode, change text size and weight, change display size, change sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, adjust color mode and color temperature, change screen resolution between smart, high and low, refresh rate between dynamic, high and standard, and in more display settings we can enable HDR images, full screen display for apps, and we can hide notch. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.